Hi, this is Kelsey Safar, Mechanical Design Engineer from Saratech, and welcome to our Tips and Tricks tutorial series. If you have any questions about anything covered in this tutorial, please be sure to ask your questions in the comments below. Today, I'll be going over how to make a custom symbol in an X. This tool can be heavily utilized for drafting purposes. Now, the first thing you want to do is go into your customer defaults and select where the symbols library is located. So under Gateway, under Reuse Library, you'll go to the symbols library, and here you can put the OS location of the symbols folder. And you can see here that this is the location that we're going to have it. So download X, NX12, and then you're going to go to the STI custom symbols. So you just want to make sure that you have that location so you can have that folder within an X. So just a reminder, if you're going to be editing anything within your customer defaults, you're going to want to restart it in an X. But since we didn't do that, there's no need to. So the first thing we're going to have to do to create a custom symbol is open up a drawing in an X, and any size will do. The first thing and the next thing that we'll do is we're going to go ahead and add the grid so that we can have a good understanding of how we can apply the sketch. So the zone locator block is going to be around this size, and we're going to want to split it in half so that we can have the sheet number in one side. So we'll go ahead and place a note here. So let's say sheet 2. And we're also going to put the zone location for the number. So that's going to be from anywhere between 1 through 8. So we'll place that there. And then the zone letter is going to be A through F. So we'll go ahead and do E. Go ahead and place that there. And we can go ahead and align these better. So now that we have a good zone locator block, we can go ahead and exit out of the sketch, and then under drafting tools, we'll go ahead and define the custom symbol. So here we can see where the folder is created from the customer defaults, and we're gonna have another folder called zone block, and we're gonna have a file for it. It's going to be the same thing, zone block, and the part file name could be the same. And the symbol content is essentially anything that you want NX to pick up. So we'll select the whole thing, specify an anchor point in the bottom left-hand corner. And this is where under symbol attributes, we can select a region. So by just selecting the region of the square, we can get the image preview. So whenever we pull up a custom symbol, we can obtain this image. Next, we can have the leader attachment, but for this particular custom symbol, we're not going to have one. And then next are the text attributes. So instead of 2, it's going to be the sheet number. And there's a lot of options that you can have for the type of text that you can insert in the custom symbol. So for the sheet number, we're going to have it an arbitrary type of number. So you can go ahead and manually enter this in. And then for the 3, it's going to be the zone number. And we want this to be between a range, and we want to make sure that it is a number. So from here, we know that it's going to be 1 through 8. So we can select 1 through 8. And just have the default value as 3. And then once we have that, we can have the zone letter. And we want to make sure that it is controlled between a list of options, so A through F. So if you want to have a list, you can go ahead and just put them down sequentially. So A, B, C, D, E, F. And once we have those options, and we can see everything is set. We have the sheet number, we have the zone number, which is the integer, and we have the zone letter. Everything looks good, so we'll select OK. And now that we have that, we can go ahead and insert the custom symbol that we just created. So underneath the custom symbol library, we can see that this is our image preview, and by selecting it and we scroll all the way down, we can control the sheet number. So if it's going to be a sheet number 4, let's say, and then the zone number, if we accidentally put 20, we'll get an error saying that the zone number has to be between 1 and 8. So we can go ahead and put 5. And let's see, the zone letter. So as I mentioned, it's a controlled list, and here we have that list. So we'll go ahead and put B. And when we select it here, we have our custom symbol. And if we double click it, we can even control the scale. So with that, that's how you can create a custom symbol within NX. And thanks for watching our tips and tricks tutorial series. This is Kelsey Safar, mechanical design engineer from Saratech. Thank you for watching our video, how to make a custom symbol in NX. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any suggestions or specific requests for tutorials on topics that you'd like for us to create, please go ahead and add them to our comments below. Also, don't forget to check out our other customer support videos here on our YouTube channel and tune into our customer enablement series held on the first and third Thursday of each month if you'd like to get more helpful information.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.